In today's video, I'll be showing you how to insert a table in Canva Design. If you're looking to organize information neatly or present data in a more structured and visually appealing way, this feature will be a game changer. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva and selecting the project where you want to add your table. Once your design is opened, head over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Elements. This section houses all of Canva's design tools, including shapes, graphics, charts, and tables. At the top of the Elements panel, there's a search bar. Type table into it and you'll see a variety of table styles appear, from simple grid layouts to more creative options. Browse through the selection and choose the one that best fits your project's theme. When you found a table you like, simply click and drag it onto your design canvas. Canva's drag and drop system makes it super easy to place the table exactly where you want it. Next, it's time to add your content. Click inside any cell of the table and start typing your text or data. You can easily adjust the font, color, and size to match your design style and keep everything consistent. Want to resize your table? Click and drag any of its corners or edges to make it larger or smaller. If you need extra rows or columns, hover near the table's border until you see a plus icon appear. Then click to add more. And that's it. You've just added and customized a table in Canva. Using tables not only makes your design more organized, but also adds a polished, professional touch to your work. Perfect for infographics, presentations, and reports. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.